When I set goals, I am taking charge of my own experiences. I am responsible for the success in this lifetime. There are no circumstances that cannot be made better. I am creative with my thoughts. I know that my thoughts create things. My mind is a powerful magnet. The thoughts I choose to think have a direct influence on creating my desired life. I am dedicated to my goals. I have daily, monthly, and yearly goals in all aspects of my life. I have written and put to memory my clear, concise, attainable goals. I have a burning desire to attain my goal. I am willing to do whatever it takes to build my self-discipline. Small daily goals help me reach this mindset. The rewards are great when I dedicate the time, energy, and resources into myself. I am worthy of this time, energy, and money. I know that attaining goals takes dedication and perseverance. The more I focus on the positive results that attaining my goals will provide, the more motivated I become. I set timelines for each stage of my goals so I can easily stay on track. It takes a great level of confidence and self-esteem to attain goals. Every day I build my confidence and self-esteem with affirmations. My mindset has everything to do with achieving the goals I set. Visualization is the key to success. I visualize my desired experience, knowing it has a profound effect on meeting my goals. I see myself as successful. I am worthy of success, financial abundance, and prosperity. I attract all resources that I require to achieve any goal I set. Universal intelligence guides my dedicated mind. I put forward action once my burning desired goal has been established. I have absolute faith in myself that I can achieve any goal I set my mind to. I set small goals to practice and create a strong, dedicated habit of self-discipline. Small goals achieved inspire dedication to longer-term goals. Every day, in every way, life gets better and better and better. I never give up. I am phenomenal and unstoppable. This is Sam. Know that I love you.